Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about sales report in Shopify. Now, if you are a store owner and you probably asked this question at some point, where's my money coming from? And that's exactly what this report helps you to figure out. Here's what a sales report can tell you. Which product or variant is your best seller so you know where to double down. How much discount and returns are eating into your revenue? Because these numbers matter more than most people realize. Whether your sales are trending up or down, and this gives you a clear picture of your store's health over time. Now I'll walk you through how to create your sales report step by step. There are actually 3 ways you can create a sales report in Shopify, and I'll quickly walk you through each one before we dive in. The first way is to go to Analytics and then click on Reports. This gives you a whole library of reports already created for you. These reports are great if you want something quick. The second way is to click on New Exploration and build your own reports from scratch. This is where things get really flexible because you're in full control of what data you see. And the third way, you can use Shopify's built-in AI assistant, Sidekick. Just type in what you need and Sidekick will pull the reports together for you in seconds. Sidekick is pretty handy when you are short on time. For this video, we're going to go with the New Exploration option. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is add the quantity ordered metric. Then for the dimensions, go ahead and add the product title. What you'll see now is your product title listed in the rows with quantity ordered as the columns. Now go ahead and add these metrics. You can add the gross sales, and then you can now add the discounts and then returns. Now you can add the net sales and then the taxes and shipping charges, and then finally you can add the total sales. Next, change the date range, let's say for the last 90 days. And just like that, Shopify automatically sorts everything from the highest quantity ordered down to the lowest. At a glance, you can now see exactly which products are your best sellers over the last 90 days. And for your each product, you'll also see how much went out in discounts and returns. You can compare that against the previous 90 days period, that is from November 15, 2025 to February 13, 2026. Or even go broader and compare it to the same previous last year. When you compare the periods, you start to see the story behind your sales, which products are gaining momentum, which ones are slipping, and how discounts or returns are affecting your bottom line over time. That's the kind of insights that helps you to make smarter decisions, whether that's adjusting your pricing, rethinking a promotion, or doubling down on what's already working. That's the kind of insights that helps you make smarter decisions, whether that's adjusting pricing, rethinking your promotions, or doubling down on what's already working. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss our next video.